Morning guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. Apologize, I told you guys I was going to make some more film of our Christmas light season, but I haven't been out with the guys much. But we are started with our Christmas light season. We started last week. We did some residentials. This is, I think today's like October 25th. Did some residential installs, and we've started doing, we have a group of 8 restaurants that we do together, and some big decorations that we do in their common areas. It's called the Marsh Walk. It's like a boardwalk here in our area. So basically I have these 4 40-foot shipping containers full of Christmas lights and decorations. Right now I'm getting out for the 2 restaurants that we're doing today, and you can see these things are, every one of these is slap full of decorations. I'll make some video. I didn't make video last year. We were too it was like a job that we put together the last minute, and it was very unorganized from the suppliers and manufacturer standpoint, and it was already, like mid-November. So it was a very stressful install, very unorganized. But this year, they've got everything together on their end. We already have all the materials. We had the contract in place to make sure everything was handled so that we could handle what we need to handle. So, I'm excited to make some more footage of this install. I won't be there in person much, but I'll get down there and kind of show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So we have this to do, and these restaurants, this big commercial job, and I think at least so far maybe around 50 residential installs. I'm hoping we'll sell, we sold 2 or 3 yesterday. We are getting a lot of leads and a lot of sales already this year. We started marketing in like July. I was, worried the pending recession was going to affect things, but it seems like we're still having a very strong season so far. So hoping to finish with at least 50 to 70 residential installs, and have a really good season. We've already surpassed last season, so I'm hoping we'll do 125 to 150 at least, 150,000 in Christmas lights this year. But thanks for watching. I'll get some more footage of the restaurants for you guys. Have a good day.